So we're in the Cambria Hotel. Oh, it's actually here. And we're in room 605. There. Obviously we're just checking in. Okay. So you'll see in the room as we see it. So there was an issue with hotels.com and we booked a rooftop room with a balcony. We just got to room 400 and noticed it didn't have a balcony. So straight away rang down to reception, and the lovely Grace who's on reception, thank you very much, said there's an issue with hotels.com unfortunately, and there's only 4 rooms with balconies and they all went last month, which is unfortunate because we booked this over a month ago because we were, you know, this is where we wanted to stay and we wanted to have a balcony, but they moved us so we're on the top floor, so we've got half of what we asked for, and also we've got better views apparently than was on the 4th floor. So if we look out of the views, first of all, we can see our usual hotel there, dockside, and we've got surfside, and that's International Drive going down there. Are you having fun with those?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is Walgreens here, and then that's International Boulevard. Is that right? Universal Boulevard, sorry, an International Drive going down there. So it is very, very good views. And you're going to end up breaking something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, the room. We've got a seating area there. And we've watched this hotel being built over the last few years. So this is why we wanted to come and stay here. So we've got 2 huge beds, an office area there. Pandy's still playing with everything. It's a nice TV. We're absolutely boiling and been travelling all day. So we're here for 3 nights before moving on to the Disney area. It is warm, my love. So yeah, this is quite a lot. What have we got here? USB ports. Fabulous. And a remote control for the...
Yeah, the other room, the bed was massive, wasn't it? You see it?
No, I didn't notice it. I just...
Yeah, it was huge.
That's all I saw was it didn't have a balcony, and I freaked. Because we paid like the most expensive for the room. And then in here, so we've got a coffee machine. And it is, everything's new and smells new. And it's really nice. We've got fridge there. Although it doesn't feel as if it's on. I'll get Pandy to have a look at that. And a wardrobe there. There you go. And full length mirror there. That was the door we came into. Could you please check and see whether the fridge actually works, because this seems very warm. And then the bathroom there. I don't understand why they leave seats up. Makes toilet look ugly. So we've got face towels, hand towels, bath towels there, one of each. Small bin, some toilet paper. I can't see any spare toilet paper. Oh, hang on. We have got some face tissue, some soap, what's that, body lotion, and a flannel. And then we have more towels down here, so that's, and a spare toilet roll. Wonderful, and a hairdryer. So I'm happy with that. Bluetooth mirror. Oh, very good. Ooh, like it. I like it. And then the shower.
They're on level, aren't
They haven't done it level. Trust you to notice. Being an electrician, he will notice things like that. The shower looks very nice. So you've got looks like a rain water shower there, and a separate head there. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and right. So, am I happy? Of course, I'm always happy. I'm in Orlando with my wonderful husband, who I love to bits, and who made all this possible. But it's unfortunate because we have never stayed in the Universal area and had a room with a balcony. So that was on my bucket list, and that's what I was really hoping for. So, happy but yet disappointed. I'm going to get onto the internet now and have a word with Hotels.com, who we booked the room with, and find out what's going on, because Grace on reception said this is an ongoing problem for the hotel. But so far the Cambria looks really nice, and I'll show you the hotel. So this is the view out of the other window on the side. So you've got dockside there. There's 4 Points. Then you've got Home 2. You've got a Hilton Garden Inn. You've got Homewood Suites, which used to be our go-to hotel there. And Universal Blvd is here. Yeah. Oh, this is really nice. This is lovely. There's the pool. Rooftop with fantastic views. Dr. Doom there. Dr. Doom's here for. That's really nice. Volcano Bay there in the distance. And then you've got the bar area there. Very impressed. What do you think, Pan? You going to go for a dip? Really lovely. Rocket going in the distance. Yeah, very impressed. It's been such a long time in the making, because we've watched this being built for like 2 years, maybe even longer. We turned up here, I think last time we came, just to use this rooftop bar, but we couldn't get in because it was still shut. So it's nice to be finally here. What's that? What do you think of it? What do you think?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice. Nice view.
Yeah.
Nice in the evening as well. Lights on.
Yeah.
Little parks now. Lights start going on.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I forget how warm it is in August, mate. It's bloody good, yeah.
So coming out to the elevators, you've got this little cute shop. It sells snacks, drinks, fruit, sandwiches. That's really handy. Chicken sandwiches, Caesar salad. $5, $8 for a can. $8 for a bottle, $8 for a can of wine. You've got these useful information as well, like you have in Homewood Suites and Hilton Garden Inn. chocolate. Of course, this is American chocolate, so it's not going to be as good as British chocolate. Really handy though, microwave. And here's the price list. It's got pizzas and things. Yeah. Really lovely. There's a gym up there. And there's reception. There's also a bar down here. Apparently that's not open at the moment. They're using the rooftop bar. It does look really nice. And there's a pantry. So these are the balcony ones that we're supposed to have had. They said there's 4 of them. 1, 2, yeah. 4. This is the mezzanine area, and this is the fitness centre. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you've got a weighing scales there. Oh, we have light. Running machines. Oh, please. One at a time. A cross trainer. Now I'm going to come up with all these names and it's going to be the wrong thing, so I won't. Exercise bike. Then you've got weights. Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. You just lose weight just being in you.
Yeah, the sauna.
Yeah, lovely. Very nice. Thank you, Pandy. So how did we find our stay at the Cambria Hotel? After 3 nights, I think we thoroughly enjoyed it. We really did enjoy it, and I would like to come back one day. Maybe have one of those balcony rooms. There was little glitches really that let it down slightly. The floor as you came in looked very dirty, but it wasn't dirty, it was just the glue from when they laid the flooring that they haven't managed to get off. That will come off with nail varnish remover, by the way, that's a tip for you. And also the door wouldn't lock either, which is fine because we just put the top thing across. And we didn't feel threatened enough to really warrant putting a lock on the door anyway. The staff were really lovely and helpful. The pool area was lovely. The bar, Abba, thank you very much. He's a lovely guy, Abba. We'll hopefully keep in touch with him. He's lovely. So he gave us great service at the bar. The lifts were, even though they were a little bit slow, the doors opening and closing were really quick. Yes, very, very clean. Easy access to Universal Studios. We walked the one day, it took us 10 minutes. If you, a tip is, if you go over the road to Surfside, they do free shuttle buses back and forth Universal Studios. So we could have walked across the road and caught the free bus to go to the studios and back if we'd wanted to. Yeah, of course, next door to Walgreens. So, yeah, that was really handy if we needed anything. They had free water in reception, which I loved. So, coming in from a hot day, we could just grab a glass of water there. They had a handy little shop there. So, all in all, very good. A big thumbs up. Well done, the Cambria Hotel. And thank you very much for our stay.